this is the stat everyone has been talking about. We have not had an inch of snow in one snowfall in nearly 2 years. New York City. It is not last February, but the February before that we had an inch of snow. I was there for it. I remember it. And I went last year again trying to be there for a snowstorm. We just couldn't muster out an inch. Philadelphia, not last January, but the January before. Same thing in Baltimore and DC. It's been such a long stretch. We just wrapped up our least snowiest year in New York City, in Philadelphia, and I'm sure others as well. You know, we look at where we're starting this season, below average, and it's not surprising that we're below average and haven't had much snow along the I-95. We get a lot of our snow in January or February, typically, but we are really significantly below average in Buffalo and Syracuse and Erie, running about 30 inches behind in all of these spots, and even to the north where we had a lot of snow. It seemed like across Vermont and even northern Maine here, we're still running below average here, at least by a little bit. Now, a little bit out there right now. It's still snowing in Pittsburgh. We've had some snow around Cleveland this morning, but it's very light. Not a big snowstorm, just a little bit of light snow that is falling out there. Temperatures have been hovering around the freezing mark there in Pittsburgh, so there could be some slick spots. You remember, even a light coating of snow is slippery, and oftentimes that's when it surprises you on the roadways. Today, we're heading up to 40 in Pittsburgh. We'll probably mix in a few raindrops in with that snow. Charleston heading up to 36. Snow showers will be ending soon, and we're looking at a little bit of rain coming through the D.C. area, Baltimore. That might mean a few airport delays. We'll keep an eye on that, but look, this is not a big weather system that should create massive problems for you traveling for today. Let's fast forward to midweek. We do have a little system swinging through that will help bring us perhaps some light interior snow. I'll tell you, it's a kind of just a little dip in the jet stream. Not going to have a ton of moisture with it. Temperatures are going to be running either near or maybe even a little below average this week. So it's not that it won't be cold enough. It's just that there won't be a lot to make it snow. So be lake enhanced, I think, mainly, and those areas of those spots that get into the 1 to 3 inches of snow. Models are slightly different in how much. DFS has a little bit more, but either way, it's still not a big blockbuster event. Again, that's the midweek storm is just a little storm that's swinging on through. Just to give you a closer view of what's going to happen in Buffalo, this is midweek. Again, you can see the south towns get into it a little bit more, all depending on that wind direction, because this really will be, I think, a lake enhanced event to see who gets the most snow out of this. And again, by most, it's about 1 to 3 inches, Alex.
Yeah.